Hi there, my name is Satish Kumar Rajendran. I am from Team Moxie Triad. We are extremely privileged participating in Virtual Adobe Creative Jam 2020. Adobe Jam set a wonderful platform for us to try out our creative ideas collaboratively, new way of problem solving and futuristic solutioning by using latest technologies. It also given us to feel the impact of achievable solution for business needs and most importantly had loads of fun during our journey. Our experience during our execution, we have really had very good fun and excitement on every stage of accomplishment of each task and goals. For this competition, we have chosen waste management and depth challenges as a problem statement. We have used design thinking process for problem solving. Our experience with Adobe tools and technologies like Adobe XD, Rush, Illustrator, etc. been an accelerator for us to collaborate, ideate, visualize, and prototype in a short time span by bringing our thought process and creativity as a live project delivery. We really had tough time in spending our efforts for Adobe Jam project execution from our regular client project delivery. As a team, we had gone ahead extra mile by connecting after work hours and weekends to meet the deadline. Hats off to the team for giving me a wonderful support and it shows their dedication and passion. We are a team of three in collaboration with Saravanan Yasaki and Varun Kumar. I take this opportunity to thank both Saravanan and Varun for giving me the lead role to drive the entire project, provided phenomenal support for all aspects in bringing our ideas to reality by collaboration. Our efforts paid us back. We are so happy, excited, and honored to receive the first prize as title winner for our solution by giving tough competition with 14 brilliant teams at the ground. Thank you for jury for choosing our solution as a title winner. Thank you for entire Adobe team making this event successful and giving us the opportunity to tap out our creative thoughts of thinking out of the box solutioning and futuristic, which we won't get the opportunity to experiment in our client projects. Thank you all.
Hi, I'm from Moxie Triad. My name is Saravanan Isaki. This creative jam is essentially a design hackathon where we had to design a concept according to the design challenge given. Execution always is the most critical part of a product development because it is how the user knows what she can do, learns how to do it, and finds out what happened when she did it. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration I had received from my colleagues. I sincerely thank Satish and Varun for helping me reach a stage where we can proudly hold up this award as a mark of our achievement. Thank you.
Hi all, this is Varun from Team Moxie Triad. Adobe Creative Jam is a perfect place to meet the creative minds. It was a wonderful experience of being a part of this event. It was a great learning and we witnessed some amazing problem solution approaches. After announcement as a winning team, I felt like winning the Wimbledon. Thanks for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, this is Vishwant. I'm from HCL and as far as Creative Jam is concerned, I'm from Team Carlo. Would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizers and Adobe for this wonderful opportunity. And as far as the key takeaways are concerned, my key takeaway would be the collaboration. So our team had the right balance of copy, design, and conceptualization as well. And we actually played to the strengths of each individual in our team. We rightly leveraged their expertise and experience in the right fashion and with the right balance, and that actually helped us in terms of putting up a good show and giving a good output in it actually. Not to miss out mentioning the guidance and the support offered by our seniors, leaders, the right inputs at the right time helped us course correct our way towards the output journey, and I think we did a good job there. So thanks to my team members for the opportunity, and cross learning. I had my fair part of learning from other team members as well. So that's the best part of this whole competition which gave us some time off from the routine day-to-day work with this work from home environment. So with that note, I would like to thank the organizers again and Adobe for this wonderful opportunity, and HCL as well. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ashwin. I handle the design part for Carlo. I participated last year as well, and we have placed third. This year, feel great that we have ranked second amidst great ideas and great participants. And while designing this Create Carlo application, Tesla's Dark-themed app was my great inspiration. Actually, we decided to keep it process simple, user-friendly, with a minimal navigation. Thank you, Adobe, for a well-organized event, and look forward for the next challenge you have for us.
Hello HCL, my name is Irshad Ahmed and I'm going to share my experience with Adobe Creative Jam. This Creative Jam gave us the opportunity to explore new features and use them in real time to gain the live experience in collaborative environment. As we all know that this year we are facing a lot of challenges just because of COVID-19, as offices are not open and we are working from different locations. I am part of Team XD Warriors. We were 3 team members, Surya, Sandeep and myself. XD Warriors like fighting with challenges and win the battle and come up with the right and meaningful design solution. We tried to solve a real problem through the mobile app and develop a mobile application to find an ideal roommate. These apps enable users to find roommate safely and securely.
One of the things I like about Creative Jam, it enables us to explore new features. This time we use the collaboration feature to brainstorm virtually together, and the real-time editing of the one single file. So all the people who were working in the team were able to work and edit the single file. So no different versions to be maintained of the file. It's always a fun to work on Creative Jam. This time it's not different. It is same fun. It's easy to work on Adobe XD as we are able to ideate and innovate through it. It's especially the prototyping features or the interactivity which we are able to add to our prototype. It's very easy and very smooth to present the prototype to audience as it shares the presentation link which we can share over the web. It also enables us to create a story of our solution. This time we also created the video by using the Adobe Rush. That was very engaging for the audience to see the solution whatever we have created.
Being part of Adobe Creative Jam was great fun and an amazing learning experience. Working remotely in the current situation was a little challenging, but the collaboration tools in XD really helped us in coming together in this project. Not only did we discover new ways of solving our problems, we also learned from our peers. There were so many good examples of innovative ideas and unique perspectives on how people have approached their project that were really a learning experience for us. We also got valuable inputs from our esteemed judges, and I'm sure the feedback that they shared with us will help us in our future engagements as we continue to innovate and create new experiences. All in all, it was a great experience, and we hope to continue to get such opportunities to engage in the future also with the design community within HCL and outside. Thank you.
Hey team, this is Scott Miller. I wanted to give you a couple of thoughts on this past Adobe Creative Jam that we did last week. First, I thank you so much for letting me take part in it. It's always fun to hang out with all of you. I've met some new faces. I've heard some new creative ideas and voices from all of you. And having visited you in November last year, a number of you for the first Creative Jam that we did, it was fun to do this again, to hear the ideas, to see how you express your creativity, your thoughts, your business knowledge throughout some of these concepts. The second thing were the concepts themselves were pretty remarkable. I was really impressed by all the teams and the ideas and thoughts, the creativity, the design, the UX prowess, applying concepts to solutions that I never would have thought of before. I trust that you're all proud of the work that you've done. I hope that we don't forget some of these good ideas, and it would be amazing to see some of these built sometime. Anyway, congratulations to you all, and I hope we get to do it again soon. Thanks.
Thank you, Adobe team, for having the Creative Jam organized and having me as a judge. It was really impressive to see the quality of submissions, the kind of depth, the research, and the feeling that went into the prototype. So, really commendable work, and honestly, it came as a breath of fresh air because pretty much in our day-to-day hierarchy, we get to be so busy that it was like a sigh of relief to see those paper submissions. So, a big round of applause for all the participants who really took time out of their daily schedules to work in groups, and that too remotely. So really a very good job. For me, honestly, judging was a little tough because pretty much the quality of submissions were, like I said earlier, were really great. So it was neck-to-neck competition. But while we took into account amongst all the judges, the quality of submissions and the kind of software used and the attention to design principles, for me it was very important and critical to see the idea in terms of a simple execution. Because pretty much the prototypes should not be very fancy so that they are very away from the real world. And what was truly fascinating was the kind of technology integration on some of the prototypes, like the 360 video for the entire rented apartments, the trash away where we leverage smart connectivity and the IoT, or even attention to small details like an accessibility and a couple of others. So thanks once again, and look forward to some more jams like this. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, this is Guru here. Firstly, it was an absolute honor to be a judge on this competition and work along with Bhavna and Scott. I thoroughly enjoyed that. It was remarkable to see what the teams could come up with at such short notice, and especially when there's a pandemic looming outside. I felt it was one of the best creative jams that I've been a part of, so thank you everybody for participating and making it successful. I hope we can conduct many such jams in the future and expect the same level of enthusiasm and creativity from all of you. Congratulations to all the winners and everyone who participated. Good luck. Thanks.
On behalf of Adobe Customer Success Leadership Team, I'd like to congratulate all the winners of the Adobe HCL Virtual Creative Jam. An amazing show by all the participants given the current pandemic situation and work from home situation. Special thanks to Scott Miller and Bhavna for supporting us, and thank you HCL for the partnership. Looking forward to many more such events and a great partnership.